I keep trading, but what trigger my pains is Otter FX.
So I was looking for an indigenous forex broker where I can start trading the forex market with. So I decided to go online and make reviews so I could find the best amongst all. But what I found on YouTube and some other social media actually got me thinking, because I came across a whole lot of reviews, most especially about OctaFS, about them not being the best that they claim to be. On YouTube, I actually came across a whole lot that made me to have like a second thought about OctaFS. The one that actually caught my attention the most was a claim by a man that is called Jesse Michael. He talked about how OctaFS actually allegedly scammed him over $200,000, and I was wowed by that revelation. So I decided to take my hands off OctaFS and look for another broker that will start trading forex with. So I'm not going to bore you too much with any video talk. I'm just going to allow you to listen to this guy, Jose Michael, to narrate how he suffered in the hands of OctaFS, and that will give you an idea whether you should trade with OctaFS or not. So let's listen to Jose Michael.
I keep trading, but what trigger my pains to push her hard to be sure I deliver the baby called AAS is Otter FX. I came into Otter FX platform. I funded my account with $23,000. Then my mind is already made up. Hey, I need to do something better. What can I do? Who are the experts? If I shot any white guy, what comes to their mind? Yahoo Yahoo. If I want to chat with this one to discuss with them what I have in mind, my dreams is Yahoo Yahoo. They'll just block you. Then who will believe me? Who will give me attention? I funded my account with $23,000. I want to trade. With all humility, if I fund my account with you as a broker, I'm a trade to you. A big trade. I am, except you are not trading. But if you are trading, I am a trade to you. So I funded the account with $23,000. Within a month and 3 days, those of you who are my friends on Facebook, the story is there. I posted it there in the room as well. I funded the account with $23,000. I traded within a month and 3 weeks. I pushed my $23,000 to $246,000. I placed a withdrawal of $100,000. They sent me an acknowledgement letter. That letter is there in the room. I posted it there. They sent me an acknowledgement letter. They say in 3 hours you get your $100,000. 3 hours, I didn't see my $100,000. 6 hours, I didn't see my $100,000. Get where my pains came from. 3 days, I didn't see my $100,000. 3 months, and they keep telling me we will get back to you. We are working on. This is my money. I built the $23,000 to $263,000, and I placed a withdrawal of $100,000. This is my money. It's no longer your money. It's my money. Give me my money. We'll get back to you. We'll get back to you. We are working on it. This is a broker. A broker. Then this trigger my pains to wake up, not just fighting the Ponzi Yahoo boys, to fight the brokers as well. Get where my fight is coming from. I don't hate anybody. I have no business to hate them, but the system. The system. The system. So I woke up and said, okay, I won't wait again. I dragged them to court to get my $100,000. Right? Now, I said, okay, I am going to build a system.
Okay guys, thank you for taking your time to watch my video. I really appreciate you making out time to watch my videos. Please remember to give this video a like, okay? Give it a thumbs up, and also please remember to subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you very much. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.